Heavy machinery relies on components that are often overlooked but absolutely critical for performance and reliability. One such component is the fuel injection pump designed for the Komatsu SAA12V140E-3 engine. This particular pump is compatible with part numbers 09400200620, 09400200621, and 6219-71-1110, making it ideal for Komatsu excavator engines. While it may not get the attention of more visible parts, it is essential for optimal engine operation and long-term durability. A fuel injection pump serves as the engine's heartbeat. It controls the precise timing and volume of diesel injected into the combustion chamber. Without it, even the most powerful engines lose efficiency, performance, and reliability. In a Komatsu SAA12V140E-3 engine, which is a V12 turbocharged diesel, this precision becomes even more important. The pump must handle extreme pressures and maintain exact timing to ensure each cylinder fires correctly. Any deviation can result in higher fuel consumption, reduced power, and potential engine damage. The build quality of this Komatsu-compatible fuel injection pump reflects its role in demanding environments. Unlike consumer electronics, which prioritize aesthetics, this pump prioritizes functionality and durability. Manufactured with high-strength materials and precise engineering, it is designed to withstand the harsh conditions of construction sites, mining operations, and large-scale excavation projects. This level of durability ensures the pump maintains consistent performance even under prolonged heavy use. Performance and reliability are enhanced by the pump's compatibility with multiple part numbers. Whether it is 09400200620, 09400200621, or 6219-71-1110, having a single replacement solution ensures flexibility and reduces downtime. Operators can maintain different models of Komatsu excavators without worrying about sourcing the wrong part. This versatility is crucial for businesses where machine downtime can lead to significant financial loss. The benefits of installing a reliable fuel injection pump extend beyond engine operation. A properly functioning pump improves fuel efficiency, reduces emissions, and provides smoother power delivery. A failing pump often results in symptoms such as uneven engine idling, decreased performance, increased smoke from the exhaust, and erratic fuel consumption. Replacing it with a properly calibrated pump restores optimal engine performance, improves fuel economy, and ensures compliance with environmental regulations. Installation of a fuel injection pump requires technical expertise. This is not a simple maintenance task and should be performed by trained professionals. Proper installation ensures the pump operates at peak efficiency and prevents premature wear or damage to the engine. Once installed, however, the pump provides long-term reliability, running for thousands of hours without requiring frequent attention. The engineering behind this component is a combination of precision and strength that must deliver fuel with exact timing while enduring the high pressures generated by a large diesel engine. This blend of mechanical accuracy and robustness is what makes the pump remarkable. It quietly powers the engine while maintaining the reliability and performance required by demanding work environments. Operators who rely on Komatsu excavators understand the importance of keeping critical engine components in top condition. This fuel injection pump is a cost-effective way to maintain performance, prevent downtime, and extend the service life of the engine. By replacing a worn or failing pump, excavator owners can restore the engine's original power and efficiency, ensuring that machinery operates at its full potential. Durability, performance, and reliability are the hallmarks of this Komatsu-compatible fuel injection pump. It is designed to meet the high standards expected in heavy machinery, delivering precise fuel injection, consistent engine